Good afternoon. This is Ben from the Buggy farm. I have a Tomberlin clutch. It's a reaction 150. Just got it running the other day. Just all bumpy, rumply. It give a little gas. It just wanted to go all the time. It just didn't want to idle. It was just kind of the clutch kicking in all the time. And this morning, I took this clutch off. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. See a little crack. It's around each one of these shoes. Turn it. See the next one. Crack on the top and the bottom. Go back in there. Lots of cracking all the way around on it. And seemed like it had plenty of shoe left on it. Here's the rest of the old clutch. Looks like it had a old red spring. I got a spot for them old red springs. We're gonna put this old stock spring back in there. Same height. Go ahead and get him. Gotta rattle him back up here on the shelf. And we got a trash plow for this cracked. Haul that off every now and again. And I was digging through some clutches I got. I've got several. This one here, it came off of a Buggy. It's a new looking stock clutch, but it's got the red springs inside. And I've got some over there with some yellows in them, and I've got some with the. I also got a pile of stock. Here's one that's complete. It really don't look that bad. It ain't bad. Ain't a bad clutch at all. Not real sure where that one come from. These are all been used a little. They're all. There's another one of them red springers. Some of these come from a racer guy I know. Now see that one? Look how thick shoes are all the way around it. It's a nice looking clutch over there. Let's check this one out. Shit, that ain't bad either. I gotta choose one of these. This one I could just clean it up, use a whole machine. This one I could put it back together. And I think what I'm going to do is use this whole machine. This is just one I had on the shelf. I'll get it all cleaned up. Make sure that pulley's good and smooth. Feels great. Just needs some good cleaning. And I'll put this one on the shelf for the future. It'll be a Buggy come through here. Needs a clutch. And that's what I do with them. Put it up there on the shelf with my other goodies. The engine stored up there in case I need it. Got some stored down there in case I need them. I see 1, 2 down there, one right there, one over there. It's a disease, folks. Thanks for watching.